still.
Wait, Thaja, wait. Done, baby, done.
You're like, this is that many times. You're like, no.
Catch a liver. Si Thajagi Sana Mana Hutpa Pane, do Magisi. Kupire, Kaptika Pidre, Maya, who live in the pigeon has Ahanba is when I got up say Heidi. I am thinking a Kapanga, Yaway, the Thajadi Kaptika Pidre and Pican Sulo Dre to Mama Toricanda, Sana Pire, Mahazitumre. Ahanba Taurage, the Sana Hutpegi Matayama memory when I was Hapsarage, Himinas. May I say that Angang Mamas in there that is ours? I'm always shopping once a year, though, so not under the when Salurido, so not consider the toga and again. One and a war, set better. Riansisla Sashana Hutpa Saliva Capture, Sabisimo Capture. I'm not the Medaka. Singing Sana Fong. Riala Mayamgi Chapam Tapam Shopping Mall Manunda Sidegi Hotini Gan Captain Moy. Yan pa no. Yeah, hi. Yeah, can I do a ear piercing for baby? Yeah.
For baby, how old is she?
15 months.
15?
Yeah. Okay.
These are our baby and toddler options here.
Okay.
And then the prices are just on the back if you wanted to take a look at those.
Only this one.
Only those ones there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let me check. Thank you. Why cái nó sẽ pira ý sẽ khăn bị chỉ cái khăn diamond gas ý na khăn lì happire baby lorgi no Rian cái gì mà sẽ cũng sẽ hút khí đó sẽ na tập bị ra cái này yên Hadi ya. Çık kalır mısın da? Çık.
Sign with your finger there.
사실变在了一点사실变在上面的。那是干嘛？
So this is the solution that you're going home with today. You want to make sure you use this 3 times a day, at least. You can use it more than 3 times a day, but as long as it's at least 3 times a day. First thing in the morning, middle of the day, before bed, as well as after a bath.
I'll take it diamond letters. Rian, you already did, right?
Mine is finished.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Wait. Clean up. Clean up.
I know it's cold.
Okay. Yes, clean up.
One side.
Okay, one finish.
This side.
Okay, clean up.
What do you think about there? You like that there?
It will be okay, right?
Yep.
Rian, nang khara cycle le. Baby chicky ka wala kore. Nang khara cycle le.
Nice and still.
Wait, Thaja, wait. Done, baby, done.
You're like, this is that many diamonds. You're like, no.
Done. Finish! Wow! Kapitre.
So I'm gonna do the cleaning solution. It might be a little cold. Make sure the back's on there nice and good. All right. So you'll see that that's just the blue marker.
Okay. Done.
That one's one done. Very
Ah,
good.
you are
Very
strong.
good. Are
You
you
are
happy
strong,
with the
baby.
spot there?
You're strong, baby.
Very good.
Okay. Let's try this one. I see the Thaja Sanaya and talk to Kapitre. See, Rian, the baby's not crying. See?
Very good.
Oh, baby's strong.
Very good.
Oh my god, baby's so strong. Yeah, good girl. You're stronger.
All right. See how she does for round 2.
Wait.
Oh no. Oh, nice and still.
Wait. Oh,
All done.
finish.
All done.
Ah,
Just give this one a nice clean. Good baby. I'll give
okay.
this one another clean just to get one.
Clean up.
You guys will be able to give it a good wash at home. That's just the blue marker there.
Oh, okay.
All good.
Oh. Backside is okay now?
Yep, and they're both on there. They're both snapped on. You'll notice there's some space. It's to account for some swelling. So a little bit of swelling is good, but they're both on. I don't want to irritate her too much. You guys can actually free pair of earrings today from the wall or from the shelf.
Okay.
Any pair under $17. You can
Under
take-
17?
Yeah.
Okay.
If they're more than 17, you can just pay the difference.
Okay, sure.
But yeah, I'll clean this up and then I'll meet you at cash. Okay,
Okay,
guys?
sure.
She did great.
You can take
Honestly,
your-
she's the first baby I've had that didn't cry on the first one.
See, baby? Oh, take her.
She's like, don't touch.
Okay, take her. Baby, Sanaya, talk to Wait. Baby, diamond, talk to Okay. Thaja, let's just lie. Thaja, be. Wait. Come on, let's go. Chasra. Da. Chap. Sidagi Thaja ngasi offer sana ma su khalloin khalle sidagi Thaja sana ma khan garba mamani na. Sana ya phasai da diamond la. Changi diamond no yan thokra ba nung happy da. Ha. Yeah. Okay, just Lord. Pin hut pi traga ngasi hut opi kre. Chabi mai si po me. Ngang mai su eker. Rian. Baby cup trava. Thaja khunguk su kari dia hor. Mai Korean. As rose sa zatra. Hanchangi. Sing. La la la. Happy. Thaja happy? Hello, ba. Zita. Hey. Sabia. Nang wadi bunga sai di khona lai du ba. Ali khona lai ne ngosi. La la la. Sonda sonda. Ui ui ui. Thaja. Thaja sonda. Thaja be. Wadi ba. Marcel. Sesam sama. Thaja das lela. Sonda sonda. Thaja. La. Arian. Se, dada ini kung kumon tingin bis. Lala somna.
It's this here.
Thaja somna, Thaja somna.
This.
Nah, lala. Somna, somna. Thaja. Terus sih.
That's what they see.
Oh, okay. Rian, saya turun. Huh? Yeah, we need to buy ticket. Wait. Sanadi. Si. Sanadi ka. Asa dulay ba? Ay ma, fajain he. Asya. Fazabra. Yingis. Come turn to. Wow, fajain he. Ngarang mugek podo moy ge pen na maning si ding. Si. Nana piyale. Fazabra. Adida. Paino. Fazabra. Si. Acting di. Kay chai ba? Adu chai ba? Sana ding. Somna kan gi ding. Ako, wait. Somna tanto. Fazay ni he. Nang ni siya chapo chabe no entay de sida. Si, somna kan gi di. Tadi sina si fazay ni he. Maning ding. Wait. Niko. Wow, fazay ni. Clean tau sida. Clean tau sida. Nganang gi bottle pirak pa dun na. Adi sanada. Is razamra. Na kung na chapo na tenga no. No. Ano tenga na chapo na no. Wait. Clean, dogs. Buka. Say. Clean, dog. Wait. Clean up. Ingra. Yes. Okay. Ding. Clean up. Yes, clean up. And okay, yeah. Basi, xong kasi.